So here we have a orthographic drawing or a working drawing. It's the drawing you take down to the workshop to actually work from, or you'd send it to your manufacturer and they would make it from this drawing. It will have a lot of sizes on there later on, but this is the main pictures, and it always defaults a certain way. This is always the front view, which is why that cube, having the cube here is so important to draw things in the correct way, because it puts it into this drawing from that. So if you drew it in the wrong place, this would be all back to front and upside down. So that's the front view. That's the side view looking from this side here. You could put one, if this is different, we can put another drawing looking at this side, and that would go here. And this is the plan view, or the bird's eye view, looking down from the top. That's an isometric, so at 30-degree angle. And this is the only one that is sort of separate to the others. If I move this one, because it's the same thing, they all move relative to the one I'm moving. So I can sort of move those about, but they'll all jump about to each other because they're the same thing. It's just looking at a different angle. So if I want to, this is maybe a little bit small. So if I just, let's see if we can make it a bit bigger. If I double click, the menu comes up and I've got a scale here. At the moment it's 1 to 5. So I could just check, see what it looks like at 1 to 4. Okay, let's try 1 to 3. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I can get away with one more. Let's see what 1 to 2 looks like. Maybe that's a bit big because I'm going into here. So 1 to 3. So I'm going to go back and go to 1 to 3 and tick. Again, I can move these about and they'll all move relative. Okay, so this one, this is the only one we can actually sort of do something different with and even put some color. So I'm going to right click this one, show hide. Rather than the hidden lines, I'm going to show the shaded view. Click that. And whatever color I have it at. So if I change the colors of this, which we can do, we'll show that in another video. This will then update, and you could have a different color base to the different colored shade bit there. These are always just a drawing, always black and white, so we don't want anything on those. So, and you'll see down here we've got like title box. We can add things into this. We can add the material, the finish, even the weight of it, which we can find out in the drawing, in the assembly. But for the moment, we'll just show you how to put some dimensions on. So same as normal, D for dimension, or if I press D, that one turns on, which is the dimensioning tool. And I'm just going to, same way, click various lines. And sorry, that hasn't done, it stuck itself on there. Let me just move that away. So that's, we know is 285. We know, let's put it on this one. So I might do that one, 94. I might get rid of, might do this one, which is the same as that. And you'll notice that the bigger the number always goes on the outside of the small one. So the smaller number stays on the inside. Just going to press escape, get rid of that. I might just get rid of that. So I'm just going to highlight it and press delete. So because we don't really need it. So I could do the dimensions of this. So D for dimension. I can put the diameters of this one, and it should be all really, really precise and neat. So I'm trying to get these in a line, and they're sort of the same angle, so it should look a very, very precise thing. I don't have to put 285 on here because it's exactly the same thing. So I only have one dimension on once, so I don't have to have this one on here. What, that's 94, that's 91, so I don't need to put those on here. So the 94 was that top one there, the inner, the chamfered one, and the 91 is the size of the lamp. So I don't need it there because that would be 91 as well, because we know it's square. That's 285, so I don't need it there. Helps to sort of make drawing not so cluttered. So you're just going to go around and put on all sorts of dimensions you think you want, and that will be that. Let's just change the title. I'm going to double click that, the middle one there, and I'm just going to come into here, press delete, and lamp project. You can change all sorts of things here, bold, italics, the font, etc. I'll delete that one, I'm going to just move that up. It always comes in with my name, the date, and I won't bother with that. But that is basically the basics of your orthographic drawing in third angle projection. And there's the symbol for third angle down here.